So how does cranberry sauce get its signature jiggle? Because you'll notice if you look at the ingredient statement, it's really only cranberries and sugar. The secret is a molecule called pectin, which is naturally found in cranberries. Pectin is a carbohydrate. It's this molecule that helps give fruit their structure. And pectin, it's actually found in the plant cell wall, so it's in any plant, which includes cranberries. And what happens is that when we cook or boil these cranberries, they burst open and some of the structure is ruined, and this releases pectin. And when these molecules are free in the sauce, they actually start to form a network. They sort of link up with one another, all these different pectin molecules, and eventually the pectin entraps all the water and sugar. It goes from being a liquid to being a gel. And this network becomes so strong, this pectin network, that eventually it can hold the shape of that can. If you enjoyed this video, next I would check out my video where I break down the science behind pairing foods.